The Game of Life, Electronic Banking, How to Play. The rules are the same as the regular Game of Life except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. During setup, give each player a token and bank card that matches their car's color. Put each player's token and the silver one into the center of the spin to win space on the board. All money is digital. Without any cards inserted into the banking unit, press and hold the C button until the unit resets the game. Everyone's cards will now start with $400,000. The banking unit can only fit 3 numbers on the screen at a time, so you must press the K button for thousands or M for millions after entering the number to indicate how much it is. Input it exactly as you see it on the board and cards. To use the unit, insert your bank card. Type in the number, press M or K, then to add that money to the card, press the plus button, or to subtract it, press the minus button. If you make a mistake, leave your card inserted and press the C button one time to completely undo the last transaction. You can also use the C button to clear numbers you are typing in without undoing a transaction. Once you have completed the transaction, remove your card. When you're paying another player, first deduct the amount from your card, then add it to theirs. Each time you put your bank card into the unit, it will show your player number followed by your balance. You can go into debt. If you do, you will be charged 10% interest each time you have a payday. If you choose to start the game at college, then deduct $200K from your card. To set your salary, insert your bank card, key in the salary amount and press K, then hold down the green payday button until the unit beeps. Now, each time you have a payday, press the payday button one time to receive your salary. Setting your salary does not initiate a payment. If the unit beeps instead of giving you your set salary, remove the card and try again. Action spaces are colored black instead of yellow. If you take night school, pay $200K and take the top 2 college career cards and pick your favorite and set your new salary. If you get a pay raise or pay cut, set your salary to the new number. When you land on a spin to win, every player places their token on a separate space of the spin to win board, and the player whose turn it is places the silver one as well. Press the spin to win button to determine the prize. Spin the spinner, then insert the card of the winner and press plus. If no one won, then press the C. The house space allows you to buy or sell a house even if you already have one. When buying, draw the top 2 cards and pick one to keep. Return the other to the bottom of the deck. When you reach retirement, collect a retirement bonus. The first to arrive gets $800K, second, $600K, third, $400K, and last gets $200K. Once everyone has arrived, add up everyone's wealth. Sell all your houses, get $100K for each action card you have, and get $100K for each child you have. Add it all to your card, and the player with the most money wins.